everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1967 Pontiac GTO. Very cool car, guys. This is actually the third time I've owned this car. Originally bought it out of Tennessee. Good car, original 242 VIN, so it's a true GTO. It's finished in Regimental red. It's got the black vinyl interior, 400 engine. It's also got the 400 trans, factory 10-bolt rear end. Nice car. We've got the original owner's manuals for it, the original Protecto plate. Good, solid, straight Tennessee body. It's got the rally tubes with the Cooper Cobras all the way around it. Good looking car. It is an older restoration, so you can see, you know, there's a few little stone packs, a few little things you can nitpick in it. You can do that on all of them, though, guys. I'll tell you, there's no such thing as a perfect car. Chrome and stainless is nice. You can see it's got a couple of the original T3 headlights. I love the chicken mesh grill in '67, man. Those are super cool. I love the grill inserts in this year. Paint's really in nice shape. Dash is nice in there. That's just a bug, guys. Car really drives out good. Nice running and driving car. Nice and tight. I actually just took it back in on trade on a '67 4-speed car. Boy, that stainless is nice around here. See, the car's nice and flat down the sides. Good rubber on it. That rear bumper's nice. Some dust there, guys. Car's nice and clean underneath. Got you some good pictures of the bottom of the car. Rally 2s with the PMD caps and lugs. Little stone peck there. They have converted it to front disc brakes. It is not the matching numbers engine. Of course, these cars did come with a 400, which is what's in it. 4-barrel, factory intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, get power front disc brakes, 400 turbohydramatic trans. Does have the His and Hers dual gate shifter in there. Does have the chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Factory Harrison, little piece of our little insulation up there. It's got the Harrison radiator with the factory shroud. I think this hinge over here on this side needs to be adjusted a little bit. It's sticking a little bit when you go to put the hood down. We'll try to take a peek at that and see what we can do for it. See, this hinge I think is sticking up just a hair. Not bad, but I like this car. It's a good car, straight car. Like I say, we've the customers that have had it have really liked it. Looks like an original mirror. It's a little loose there. Let me check that. Door handles look good. That A-pillar chrome is actually really nice. Like I said, the two customers prior, they've had it. It's been a good car for them. Factory black vinyl interior. I've ordered the factory correct rubber mats for it as well. The cloth mats that I normally order are out right now. Sorry guys, you guys didn't do a good job of wiping in that jam. Bucket seats, console, again, his, hers, dual gauge shifter, wood wheel. It's got the correct Fisher body seat belts in it. $74,000, that is the original miles on the car. Factory wood grain dash. I know the blower motor works. It's got some aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. AM radio. I didn't even turn that on, see if it works. Flowmaster dual exhaust. 10-bolt stock rear end. It's not a big gear. Factory jack with spares in the trunk here. Got the old bias ply, original spare in it with a jack. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. It's a power rear end tenant. Then check that, make sure Steve checks that mirror, Jordy. It's a little loose. Again, car's nice and clean underneath. The floors are nice. It's original. It's not all, can't say that it's, you know, all shiny underneath. It's detailed, but it's not a fresh frame off or anything like that. I like it. Good car. Nice straight driver. Again, the original owner's manuals and Deco plate is in the glove box. That dash is nice. His and hers dual gauge shifter. It's a cool option. Go ahead, Jordy. Yeah, that A-pillar chrome is really nice. Again, good running 400, guys. Runs up pump gas. Does have the hardened valve seats and everything in it. Just a little cam to it. Nothing crazy, but you can hear it working in there. Oh. Jordy, I don't think I've got this shut right. I have to open up and shut it. I don't think I got it shut. Again, just a little cam to it. Fuel gauge works. Looks like all your gauges are working in there. Yeah, probably got the clip down a little bit. No, blower motor does work and your gauges there work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. That way you can get a notification every time I post another one of these videos.